highlight too, don't mind my hair. And you can see
I'll make it all come true. I'll make it all come true.
so hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm doing something I do. Last time I am going to color my hair. So last time I colored my hair blue and the result wasn't good, but this time I'm trying coloring it to red. इसमें वो जो ब्लू था दैट वाज अ डायमंड शेड, तो उसमें हमें जब कलर लगाना था तो वी डिडंट, मतलब हमें डेवलपर मिक्स नहीं करना था. नाउ दे आर लेफ्ट ब्लॉन्ड. तो पहले इसको करने के लिए फर्स्ट हमें अपने बाल ब्लॉन्ड करने होते हैं एंड सेकेंड स्टेप में हमें कलर रेंट लगाना होता है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट स्टेप, दैट इज वो ब्लॉन्ड करने का. So guys, we have mixed the developer for the first part and now we are using this blonder powder and see, it is the blonder powder. And now we will mix this, and guys use gloves just to be safe, वरना it is वो क्या बोलते हैं, गंदा हो जाता है हाथ. So see guys, this is the result of the blonder powder and now my hair will go blonde. Guys, we are beginning to blonde my hair and you can see I just क्या बोलते हैं, cut my bangs because I was bored, and now when I do them like this they look like Salman Khan. So never mind. Now let me do it blonde, then I will show you. Okay guys, so I have applied the blonder and I literally don't know how the results were. Maybe I used a little less, but let us wait and see the results until I wash my hair after an hour or so. So we'll have to wait and check. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower and see, they are blonde. And now let us wait for these to dry up and then they'll show more clearly. See, I think blonde also look nice. Okay guys, so as you can see now they are blonde. काफी अच्छे से हो गए हैं ये ब्लीच blonde. क्या I like this highlight too, don't mind my hair. And you can see, and this side also, I like these highlights too, but I'll have to remove them just in case I want to, just because I want to do it red. So now let's go ahead and do the coloring. Yay! And guys, see, this is the front look. I know brown highlights look nice too, but आजकल सबके हैं ना, we need a change, we need to be different. So guys, let us go ahead and do the coloring. Ooh. And guys, for the next step we have this colorant cream and a developer. Both have to be mixed in 1:1 ratio, and now we will mix them and see. And we have this brush also to use for highlighting. So now we'll mix it. Okay guys, so we are going ahead with the colorant too. इतना ज़्यादा red है. As you can see, now I'll mix the developer. And this is the developer. And now we will go ahead with the coloring. Guys, now we have started coloring and we have this also. इससे color enhances, and now we will just I will show you the results soon. And guys, I am all done with this. I don't know how it will turn out or what will happen. And guys, let me see how it turns out to be finally. And मेरे देखो चश्मे की वजह से I've got so many dots. So now we will wait for another half an hour and then I'll take a shower and then see. And I will use this जो मेरे को इसके साथ ही मिला है. So we will wait and see. And guys, here is the final result. You can see it came out very well, as I hadn't expected, क्योंकि my blue वाला color wasn't that good. Let us see. You can see. Here is how it looks from the front. I know it looks good. So I'm very happy with the results. And if you want to try, you can try with streaks. And also, I got vaccinated right now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay at home and do your thing.